Hello, I'm coming to you from Screencastomatic. Here is the web address here. I would recommend signing up for a free account. It's easy to do on your work device, and it might be nice for you to keep your video rolling. As you can see in the bottom corner here, students would be able to see you, and you would be able to model things to them on the screen. This is only if they come to a time when they're confused with Imagine Learning, or you need to put something out that is SMCPS approved, of course. I wanted to show you a quick skill in case you are not familiar already. You can pin tabs. You come up to a tab, you right click on it, hit pin, and what that will do is throw that tab right next to your other pin tabs. And every time you log out and log back in, you'll be able to see your pinned tabs. You won't have to worry about bookmarking or losing your websites that you feel like you need. And during this time where we have lots of resources coming at us, it's important, in my opinion, to pin. So I've got some tech requests pinned down here. I've got online professional resources, so it's a quick reference for me. I've got a s'more that I plan on sending out from the Unified Arts, just things that I want to keep my mind and eye on over the next little bit. So I hope you enjoyed that tip on pinning tabs and Screencast-O-Matic. Of course, if you need help, send me a text and give me a ring. Talk to you later.